I am so sorry about that, boys and girls. I got cut off right in the middle of my uppercase F. So your uppercase F needs to start on the top line and pull down to the bottom line and then go across and then across. You have to pick up your pencil to do this. Same thing with an uppercase P. You start at the top line and pull down, and then you're going to swoop around to the middle line. Down, pick up your pencil, and swoop around to the middle line. Okay? You're going to write 10 uppercase D's with finger spaces. See my finger spaces? 10 uppercase F's with finger spaces, and 10 uppercase P's with finger spaces in your journal. Make sure you have your finger spaces. I've been seeing a lot of letters awfully close together. They're all crammed up together. Looks like a big mound of letters. Separate them with a finger, please, so that it looks nice and neat and readable. Then, after you have finished writing your letters, you're going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Now you are ready to read Class 6 and Frogs in Class 6. Oh my goodness, I wonder what that one's going to be about. When you log into Ed, click on the first 2 stories, and then I will see you again Thursday. Bye, friends.